Today I'm gonna do a smoky look. Before I put any makeup on, I have a breakout here and here. And I am going to cover them up using the AC Cleanup Liquid Patch. And what it does is basically it leaves a film of protection over your breakouts, and this is so that it doesn't get your breakouts kind of get covered up by a film and it doesn't get infected or contaminated by the other makeup products that you're going to put on your face. So I'm going to use the Etude House Glow On Hydra Base. The Hydra Base is it's meant to give you a glow underneath your foundation. It is a primer, but it can also double up as your moisturizer. So if you're doing your makeup later in the day, for example, not right after your skincare, you don't have to apply moisturizer before. You can just use this to prep your skin, and it's a 2-in-1. It moisturizes and it gives you that perfect glow and a nice base for your foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to use the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation in the shade Honey Tan. And it is a warm yellow tone base foundation. And it is, I think, slightly on the more medium side of the range of foundations. I'm going to apply the foundation using these heart-shaped sponges from Etude House. And you can, I think you can rip them. Yes, you can. And you can rip them apart like this so that you can get more softer base, sharper edge. So I'm just gonna drench that in water. Oops. Now what I found with this foundation is that it doesn't work great with brushes. I'm not sure if it's my brush or if it's the foundation, but I always get streaks whenever I apply the foundation with a brush. So I think applying the double lasting foundation with a sponge is much better. The coverage is really good. It is quite high coverage. As you can see, it's covering up my under eyes quite well. And that is the difference between the side with a foundation and the side without foundation. I'm gonna do my other side off camera. This is the full face done. Now I'm gonna move on with contouring. First, I'm gonna use the Play 101 Stick Duo in number 6. Use the lighter shade to contour my nose. So just one line down the nose. Underneath, and same with on the other side. Then I'm just gonna shade down this side because I have a wider nose on this side, so I want to slim it down. I'm gonna use the darker side to do the contour. And for this look, the contour needs to be very, very deep because we want that cut jawline, sexy kind of look. See the hollow shade where the shadow naturally is? I'm just gonna pull that down and make that deeper. I'm just gonna make this side a bit more deeper than this one. I'm gonna pull the contour a bit more deeper down. And I'm also going to contour this side of my jaw and the top of my forehead a little bit. I like my forehead to be long, so I don't contour the top of it. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Natural shadow, pull that down. Darken that side, pull this part down as well. I also saw something that Aisha Lee did at her demo at Etude House, and she shaped her chin this way, I guess, to make it look a little bit more, like, to bring it a bit more forward. And I thought that was kind of cool, so I want to try it out today, see how that looks. Blend it out using a flat kabuki brush to blend out the contour. Hello?
Dah balik rumah dah?
Dah, lama dah. I'm gonna use the Etude House trench coat colors, and I'm gonna go really dark with these colors because I want to have a smoky eye look. So what I'm gonna do is firstly go in with this color here in this corner, and this color is called Basic Coat. So I'm gonna go in with Basic Coat all over the eyes as a perfect nice neutral base. Using my trench coat color, I am going to use it as a transition color in the outer crease. Using a slightly smaller crease brush, I am going to go in with the color Coat Hanger into that crease just to give it a little bit more depth. And then slightly on the lower part of that crease, I'm going to use the color The Collar, which is another dark shade, and this is what is going to give the smoky effect. I'm just gonna put it down slightly lower than where we put the crease color. It's a glitter-y shade, so you can see there's a bit more glitter now. Then I'm going to use the a slightly fluffier bending brush, and I'm going to go back in with the color Coat Hanger to just blend that out. Using a pencil brush, I'm going in with the color Showroom, which is a purplish dark color to really give that smoky eye effect. I'm going to pop it in the outer C corner here, close to the lash line, and just brushing it out along the outer corner of the lash line, and just in the outer C corner, and blend it out. Now, back in with that crease brush, we're gonna use Display, the color Display, as a transition glitter between our very, very dark smoky eye color towards our inner base. It's gonna give that a light shine all over the lid, as you can see. I'm gonna go back in with that dark color to give it a bit more of a pop. Finally, we're going to go in the inner corner with the color Silver Button. Now this is like a multi-chrome color that really gives a pop to your inner corner when put there. So yep. Look at that white. And then what you're gonna do also is gonna pop a slightly lighter color. We're gonna go in with Belted Coat, which is a slightly more brownish color. I'm gonna pop it underneath our bottom lashes. So I've lined both eyeliners on. Now the key trick is to really cover the eyeliner with the shade Showroom, just to smoke that liner out with the shade Showroom, so it's a bit more. And there you go. A nice party look. I'm gonna finish this look by putting mascara on. gonna first curl my lashes. I'm gonna use the Etude House Curl Fix Super Volume mascara, and put the mascara on for an extra volume effect. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes as well. To have a more dramatic effect. Can you see that? What just fell? I don't know. I'm gonna do one side of my eyebrow on camera because someone has asked.
Just I don't draw down to line there. There. How about we trace that? Here. Okay, that's going too hard.
Etude House Color My Brows in number 3. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows and it's in a slightly lighter color so that my look isn't too intense, my eyebrows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go on the opposite side to color my hair. We are going to use the Glow Highlighter Wheel from Etude House to highlight, and I will be using the golden shade here. I'm gonna take quite a lot of it, knock it out, and then pop it into the cheekbone area. Just a gold one. Look at that shine. I'm not gonna use any blush because this look doesn't need a blush. We're not blushing for anyone. We're just shining through ourselves. I'm also gonna highlight the bridge of my nose just to bring it higher, as well as the cupid's bow and the chin, and slightly on the forehead just so that my forehead looks a bit more forward. We are going to use Sulgi Burgundy to finish up this look. And that is the finished look.